Kiddoz Glimmer, sparkle with knowledge.
Hello kids, let's go on a color hunt.
Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, grey.
Red. Apple is red. Rose is red. The car is red. Fire truck is red. A strawberry is red. Blue. Dolphin is blue. Blueberries are blue. Giants is blue. Dress is blue. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Sunflower is yellow. Duck is yellow. Bananas are yellow. Green. The leaf is green. Parrot is green. Watermelon is green. Grass is green. Orange. Carrot is orange. Goldfish is orange. Pumpkin is orange. Basketball is orange. Pink. Donut is pink. Flower is pink. Doll is pink. Cake is pink. Purple. Eggplant is purple. Yarn is purple. Lollipop is purple. Umbrella is purple. Brown. Chocolate is brown. Cookie is brown. Monkey is brown. The box is brown. Black. The sheep is black. Tire is black. The shoe is black. The crow is black. White. Milk is white. Eggs are white. Swan is white. Snowman is white. Let's see colors once again.
Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, grey. Hit subscribe and spread glimmering.